My truck is stuck. Dump truck coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a great big load. Round and round the wheels they roll. Round and round into a hole. Rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engine roars, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep, here comes a car full of travelers traveling far. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Tug and tow, two engines roar, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep, here comes a van driven by a moving man. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Drag and draw, tug and tow. Three engines roar, but the truck won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep, here comes a Jeep up a hillside very steep. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Heft and haul, tug and tow, four engines roar, the truck still won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep, here comes a bus full of youngsters. What a fuss. Rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. Lug and lurch, tug and tow, five engines roar, the truck won't go. Honk, honk, no need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure, to move it on its way, just hook it up, and then you'll say, what luck! My truck's not stuck. Vroom, vroom. Now car and van and jeep and bus all move on without a fuss, and the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver a great big load.